guys doing today? It's Roger Chowdhury signing in from BFN, the Business Financial Network. Hope you guys are having a great Sunday. And I just want to talk to you guys a bit today on my relaxed Sunday. I'm just in jogging gear. And I want to talk to you guys a bit about the crazy market that happened this weekend. I spoke to you guys a bit about Bitcoin Saturday, Friday, and today's Sunday, and I'm going to talk to you guys a bit about it again today. Did you guys see what happened with Bitcoin's pricing today? I'm just going to share it with you right now. Give me one moment. Let me load it up. But last night, we had our trading group trading into the wee hours of the night and taking massive scalp trades with one of our top traders, Amanda. So again, if you want to join the club, it's something that I really strongly suggest that you do. Bitcoin last night hit almost past 34,000, and right now it's at 33,000, mid 33,000s. And again, we are of the opinion that Bitcoin is going to be going in one trajectory, and that's up, okay? And furthermore, yesterday I spoke to you guys about a currency that, CurrencyWorks, a stock that's currently trading on the CSE under the symbol CWRK, and on the OTC CWRK also. And this stock, I'm putting it right now, this stock is going to be the number one stock in 2021 related to cryptocurrency. The reason being, this stock, along with other underexposed, undervalued companies that we bring to our community first, has only an $18 million market cap. And you ready for this? Its float is only 18 million shares. So currently right now, it's 54 cents Canadian, 43 cents American on the OTC. We can only see this stock going one place only, okay? We're going to talk to you guys a bit about the company, and we're going to read a bit about them on their website, okay? So CurrencyWorks is redefining how companies can increase their revenue with digital currencies. CurrencyWorks is redefining how companies can create liquidity with security tokens. CurrencyWorks is redefining how companies can digitize and monetize their assets. I spoke to you guys yesterday. CurrencyWorks is going to be putting together a security token for all 600 companies that are currently trading on the Canadian Securities Exchange. That's going to be a game changer, okay? CurrencyWorks partners with established brands who have a large customer follower bases, or online communities. CurrencyWorks is a vendor or can do joint ventures to launch and develop branded corporate digital currencies to solve real-world problems and create more transactions. Those are some of the partners on its website. When stocks like this have such a tight float and a small market cap, we only look to help them build their market cap, and more importantly, help our viewer base position themselves to take advantage of these huge uptrends, okay? Another huge emerging issuer that we want you to put on your watch list is Grande West Transportation Group, Inc. Trading on the TSX Venture under the symbol BUS, and trading under the ticker GWTNF on the OTC Pink. This company is basically designing buses that are electrified, meaning running on electricity. It's a total disruptor to the current marketplace, and we fully believe that this stock is a $10 stock, future $10 stock. You want to get in, and you want to get in early before this stock pops. Going to its website right now, vicinitybus.com, deploying zero-emission technology in the transportation sector is a vital part of reducing greenhouse gases. And Grande West Transportation Group is pleased to introduce its small 28-foot, mid-size, true low-floor, zero-emission, fully electrified bus. The size and design of the Vicinity EV bus provides maximum versatility to support transportation and applications utilizing high-quality, proving commercially available technology and industry standardized charging solutions. The Vicinity EV bus delivers ease of use without high cost proprietary technology and charging systems. Another thing that's very unique about this small market cap stock is that, again, it has $134 million market cap and it's underexposed, undervalued. It only has, and it's issued an outstanding float, 85 million shares. So again, at $1 and what is it, $1.58? It's too much of a steal. It's way too much of a steal. It's $1.57 today. You know, when you look at the chart over the last 6 months, it's gone up in excess of $2. At $1.57, honestly, this stock is a steal at this price. And we are, again, of the mind, this stock is a $10 security. It's going to be valued much, much, much higher than what it is today. So, again, if you're not watching, you're definitely not winning. And we're looking to have BUS be seen and be heard. So pay attention. Keep it on your watch list. Last but not least, there's two other stocks that we want to help you guys recognize. Again, these are sub-penny and penny stocks. And because these are high risk, high reward stocks, we want you to take your time when you look at them and you analyze them. Again, we are not financial advisors. We are here to help our community build their trading confidence and do their own analysis. So this stock I spoke to you guys a bit about yesterday, TSNP, Tesoro Enterprises. To give you guys a heads up, Brian Foote owns Humble. Brian Foote went and took $10 million of his own money and he went and he bought a lot of the stock up himself, okay? And there you go. Here you go. TSNP Humble merger is a really big deal, okay? I spoke to you guys a bit about this yesterday. Humble is a network that was designed to disrupt entrenched regional banks, wire services, and roadside financial providers in emerging markets such as Latin America, Caribbean, Asia, and Africa to help reduce costs and improve settlement speeds for customers. Humble maintains offices in San Diego, Humble North America, Mexico, Humble Latin America, Miami, Humble Caribbean and Africa, and Singapore, Humble Asia, Pacific, and Oceania region. It has created a global network of regional affiliates who stand ready to implement sales and marketing programs in these quarters. Guys, this is not one to sleep on. This is one to put on your watch list. It currently doesn't have revenue. It currently still has a lot of issued and outstanding shares. So again, this is high risk, high potential. It could be a 10 bagger. Okay, we've seen it ourselves at 2.5 cents in our community, and it went up in excess of 35 to 36 cents. High potential. Again, watch it. Pay attention to it, okay? Another sub penny stock that got up to 5 cents that we were able to bring to our community at a cent is Artificial Intelligence Technology Solutions, AITX. Again, it has a 1 billion float potential, issued and outstanding. So there's a lot of stock that's currently out there. And Artificial Intelligence Technology Solutions, Inc. engages in the provision of artificial intelligence AI solutions. It focuses on delivering AI-driven technologies paired with the multi-use hardware and supported by custom software and cloud services to intelligently automate and integrate security, concierge, and operational tasks. The company was founded by John B. Crawford on March 25th, 2010, and is headquartered in Reno, Nevada. AI, we believe, is a huge disruptor. It's currently at 3.5 cents. It's, again, another stock to put on your watch list. It could be a 10 bagger. And again, if you're not watching, you're not winning. And we're looking for people to gain confidence in their trading strategies, to gain confidence in their ability to do the research themselves, to do their due diligence, to go out there and identify other opportunities that we haven't even spotted yet, that we are currently not, working with. We're working with over 80 companies in various different countries around the world, and our viewer base is worldwide. Other than that, guys, you're watching BFN, the Business Financial Network. This is Roger, signing off.